Places that will help to vaccinate people over the age of 70 is the Prisma hospitals in this region. Today, they met with Columbia City leaders to discuss the vaccine plan. News 19's Jenna Krasina has that update.
Hospitals are hitting new highs for COVID-19 patients, and positive percentages of tests are near records. Health officials say the vaccine continues to be a sign of hope, but people need to continue to be patient.
The limiting factor right now today is the number of doses that we receive.
Prisma Health President and CEO Mark Ohala says it's in the hands of the manufacturing companies.
We can expand capacity. We have expanded capacity. So can every other healthcare provider. So can DHEC. But at the end of the day, if we don't get larger quantities of vaccine into the state, having the additional capacity is not going to help us speed up vaccinating or vaccinating more people.
So far, Ohala says Prisma has given more than 22,000 vaccinations and are filled with appointments for several weeks. He also notes 50% of their team has been vaccinated.
South Carolina is currently receiving approximately 64,000 doses of vaccine each week from the federal government to distribute across the state. Now, South Carolina has approximately 5 million people, and if everyone decides to get the vaccine, which we hope will happen, we're going to need 10 million total doses in order to get everyone in the state vaccinated with their 2 shots.
And to keep up with the demand of COVID-19 patients, Ohala says Prisma is getting ready to open a unit with additional beds in Lawrence.
So this is something that the likes of which we have never seen, whether it's here in South Carolina or anywhere across the country or in the world. But this is what we train for. This is what we do. We are managing through it, and we have been able to stay one step ahead of it.
Jenna Krasina, News 19, WLTX.
Prisma Health says out of the 22,000 vaccines that they've administered, they have had no severe reactions.